Project-based learning was set up to create seat time for student-driven research. The class is designed to give the students enough resources and support that they can do an actual scientific question without a known answer. So they're trying to discover new things, or invent new things, or design new things that are relevant to the world around them, particularly here in Mason County.
My project was about saying these erosion mats would collect sediment and maybe like slow shoreline erosion, and I put clams under them to see what effect the mats would have on the clams.
My first project in 6th grade, I tested to see if you could reuse single-use syringes, and I figured out that I could use UV light to sterilize them and that it'd work. So now I'm just building something specifically for syringes to sterilize them.
I see students get connected to science and stay with science when they've done this. I see students that experience what real science is like, the fun parts and the less fun parts. And once they see what it's like and they see that they can do it and they feel the success, they tend to move forward as scientists. They tend to stay in the field.
I actually really love this class because I can do basically whatever I want this whole period.
You kind of get to dig a little deeper instead of like skimming off the top of what the teachers are teaching you.
We get to go tour the Capitol and talk to other scientists about our work.
To get the kids into a place where they see what science is like, something that's designed for them, suitable for them, well supported and safe, but at the same time realistic. And so that's what I'm hoping that this classroom is about. I hope it's authentic. I hope it's something that the students remember, for a lifetime. When we're setting shellfish bags out on a beach at midnight at low tide with local shellfish farmers, I think I would remember that if I were a 13-year-old kid.
This class is honestly so fun compared to other classes. If you have something you want to do, you can just go ahead and do it.
Over time, I've seen students step into those roles and talk about those things that they've done and the memories that they've held on to. And so I'm hoping that is something that will sort of reach beyond just the immediate concerns of the classroom and into lives for the long term.